up, online shoppers? I was looking for an easy way to get the groceries out of the store and to my car without having to worry about returning a bunch of carts. Enter this convenient little collapsible folding wagon. That's right, I can just put the groceries in my cart, wheel it out to my car, and I am ready to go. Let's take a look at what's in the box, how quickly it goes together, and you can see if you want one of those for yourself. Now, here's what I like. First of all, they have hard rubber wheels. I don't have to worry about them coming deflated because there's no air in them. They are just solid rubber. I'm impressed with how compact this is. It's actually really small. There's the handle. Oh, that's cool. Extended, collapsed. You also get a color illustrated diagram that shows you how to set up the wagon for the first time. The first step is to undo the secured Velcro right there and right there. You can definitely put this back here like that, and we're going to open that up. This is going to be the base of the wagon. This is where the wheels go. Now we're gonna flip it over and insert the wheels to the bottom of the wagon. Now something else, there are front wheels and back wheels. Give them a little push and they snap in place. And then you put in the front wheels. Give them a little push and they snap in place, just like that. And you are ready to go. We're just gonna flip this over like this. Push down on the center. Put the little base in the bottom. And we've got a fantastic little rolling cart that we can take with us anywhere. Great for groceries, great for gardening, even great for giving kids a ride. What I love about this is I have this flexible, movable handle that I can extend if I want to make it easier for me to move. And this also is going to pivot and allow me lots of functionality no matter how tall I am. So whether you're tired of juggling groceries or camping equipment, this little wagon is your new favorite helper. I like the sturdy steel construction of the frame. I like how absolutely easy it is to put it together. So whether you're transporting groceries or firewood or craft supplies, things to go to the beach, this little cart is definitely going to carry all of it. Now, one of the things that I was drawn to is the fact that it collapses. Easy to store in the back of my car. I really like how small it is. And just to give you a shot of what it looks like standing up, you can see that it's a really nice height. I'm 5'6" and it fits well. It also maneuvers really nice. I love this handle. The movement is smooth and easy to control. I'm really impressed with the functionality. A couple other really cool features. There is a little zippered pocket in here that you can put your purse, your wallet, something valuable that you don't want to lose. Some Velcro straps along the side for securing things that need a little bit extra strapping to hold them in. Mesh pocket at the back of the wagon. 2 water bottle holders right here that can serve us as just extra storage capacity. Now, as easy it is to set it up, what does it look like taking down? First step is to take out the base. The second step, once we look in here, there's actually a pull tab. Pull up on that tab and it releases the sides and in comes the wagon just like that. Nice, neat, and secure. Now all I'm going to do is just place the outside or the base, get my Velcro straps, feed it through, and secure it in place. It can stay stored with the wheels attached, just like that. Put it in your car, your garage. It's gonna tuck down nice and easy to be used the next time you need it. This is pretty awesome. My overall impression with this little wagon is I think it's gonna be one of the best things I've ever purchased. It's a fantastic little utility cart that's gonna work for all kinds of purposes. Firewood, groceries, hauling things to and from the car like groceries, hauling things around my yard like flower pots, toolboxes, all that kind of stuff, all in one nice, convenient, compact little package that I can pack away when I don't need it. It's a combination of durability, ease of use, and super convenience, as well as the fact that it's really nice and compact. This is definitely gonna make this little wagon a family favorite at my house.